2025 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Take home the car of your dreams today.